Chance by survival. Time for Darwin. Introduction. In of common general theory, evolution relies on through survival, meaning it to be the common factor to its rising obstacles leading to evolution. The common conception leaves behavior through passage for or survival as much as engagement with concepts of survival out of the assessment. While that is cared for in some of biology, psychology is concerned, I guess, with the current state of operating mental, thus an insufficient of one to answer the remains of question in total. While Darwin regards to that the best suited for this are the best suited for obstacles and chances to survival, the definite answer remains an enough answer. Midterms knowledge might consider niches, environment, or mating as categories of ruling the effects of necessity to survival, while a grad student or a person with a degree might have answers more complex but regarding at most some variant factors to these or the effects of ruling out others by having demanded or demanding traits. Well, this classifies basically survival into two categories, the unintentional one and the or used intentional design scenarios that advances chances of survival. Well, I figured if it's time for Darwin, well, then a much different look upon in this writing. Well, all of these possible scenarios previously mentioned assume the forcing or forces of evolution, or better said survival, to be the fourth being. I view more purpose in that a being would have understanding of this or bringing about a scenario in which an alternative to its is needed. Thus, first principle of survival to be, the intrinsic non-attachment to natural needs results in ability to walk the path with least resistance, like a plant growing but with its own mind. Therewith about comes the adaptation to a conflicting scenario, one that leaves a need of being unbound to niche, or the change of a biochanging obstacle for to become an alternative to walk at not yet a certain outcome. Better said, a species or animal of such category that can utilize the potential or environment of other disturbances to its evolution to reign its own biosphere. This meaning that the abstraction and use of no pattern by action to form an abstract advanced alternative in line with its previous possibilities, forming a necessity for every factor to become a niche that is adjusted to the strength or non-action of said being.